Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on a Windows PC or laptop using a virtual machine. This is a great way to try Linux without changing anything on your main system. We'll walk through everything step by step, from downloading the tools you need to getting Ubuntu fully up and running. Before we start, I have a small request. Please like the video and subscribe to support my small channel. Let's get started. First, check the storage in the drive where you will install VirtualBox and the virtual machine. You should have at least 45 gigabytes of free space. Ubuntu and the virtual environment will take a good amount of room, so this is important. Second, make sure your internet connection is stable. Third, virtualization must be enabled on your PC. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab and look at the right side. There you will see the virtualization status. If it shows enabled, you're good to go. If it shows disabled, you will need to enable it from your system BIOS. I already have a video on that, so you can follow it to enable virtualization. Sometimes users also face issues when Secure Boot is enabled. If that happens, you may need to disable Secure Boot as well from your BIOS settings. All right, once these checks are done, let's begin. Open your favorite browser and search for VirtualBox. Go to the official VirtualBox website from Oracle. I'll provide the link in the description. On website, click on the Download button. Click on the Windows Host button to download VirtualBox. The file will be around 150 megabytes, so wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, open the installer. Now follow the installation steps. Accept the agreements. Now choose a location where you want to install it. It will give a warning that internet will disconnect. Click Yes. Finally, click Install and wait until installation finishes. Click Finish. Now, VirtualBox will open automatically in few seconds. You will see the VirtualBox dashboard. Now, before moving ahead, we also need the Ubuntu ISO file. Open a new browser tab and search for Ubuntu Download. Click the first link or use the link in the description. Download the latest version. The ISO file is about 4.7 gigabytes, so it may take some time. When the download finishes, click on New to create a new virtual machine. Enter the name Ubuntu. Choose a location if you want to change where the virtual machine will be saved. Then click the drop-down to select the ISO file. Click Other and browse to the folder where the Ubuntu ISO was saved. Select it and continue. Now it will automatically detect operating system. You don't need to set it up. Now we'll configure the hardware. This part is important. First, select how much RAM you want to add here. To check how much RAM you have, open Task Manager. Look under the Memory section. For example, my PC has 8 gigabytes of RAM. So I will assign around 4 gigabytes to the virtual machine. Always give half of your PC. Next, check your CPU cores. Open Task Manager. Go to CPU. Here you will see your CPU cores. Whatever number of cores you have, give half of them to the virtual machine. For storage, the default is 25 GB, but I recommend increasing it to at least 35 GB. This will help you install apps and updates later. Click Next and then Finish. Your Ubuntu virtual machine is now configured. To start installing Ubuntu, just click Start, and the Ubuntu installer will launch. Choose Try or Install Ubuntu. Now follow the installation steps. And that's it. You now have Ubuntu running in a virtual machine on your Windows computer. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.